Ever wondered why some paintings just pop while others feel flat? The secret often lies in color temperature. In this video, I'll show you how to use warm and cool tones using my new favorite watercolor set, Hue and Me by Craftamo. This watercolor set comes in two types. They're easy to use, super portable, and full of color combos you'll love. Warm colors, reds, oranges, yellows, feel energetic and close. Use them to highlight areas you want to pop, like foreground objects, light sources, or focal points. The trick? Use them sparingly and with purpose. Too much warmth can overwhelm. Cool colors like blues, greens, purples are calm, quiet, and recede into the background. They're perfect for atmosphere, shadows, and soft transitions. They give breathing space to your warmer areas. The real power of warm and cool isn't using one or the other. It's the contrast between them. That's what creates depth and energy. A warm subject against a cool background? Instantly dramatic. A cool shadow under a warm highlight? Chef's kiss. One of the many reasons why I love the Hue and Me sets is that they're already color balanced. Whether you're using Chroma for bold colors or Stardust for a shiny twist, the warm and cool tones are built right in. No guessing, no stress, just paint. Which side are you on? Team warm or team cool? Let me know in the comments, and if this helps you see your palette in a new way, hit the like button and subscribe for more watercolor tips, tricks, and painting inspiration. Color temperature doesn't just make your art look better, it makes it feel better. So go on, stir up some warm, cool magic.